Hey guys, just a quick update. I am delivering Vanboo to its new owner. Young lady bought it, lives down in Queen Creek, pretty close to us. I was surprised that it would be a local buyer. She bought it off of RV Trader, which, okay, works for me. We did get our asking price, of course, and I'm happy to see her go to a good buyer, local, and she's going to use it to travel all over the place. You can see Van in here. She said she's going to start out slow and use it on the weekends and then work her way up to a week or two, and then she said, I'm gone, I'm leaving. I think she's living with her daughter right now, so she wants to be out on her own. She's retired. Perfect van for her. Anyway, just a quick update for you. Take care, subscribe, like, hit the bell. Hey guys, Aaron with Kodiak Vans. We're here with Melissa. She's taking delivery of Vanboo.
Yeah!
She's so excited. I'm excited for her. So we're going to do a long walkthrough and explain everything to her. It's a little chilly today. So we're going to get inside and get going on it. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.